What is the most common child custody schedule in Georgia? We do not have a presumption of 50-50 custody. We actually have no presumption at all, and it's to be decided by the best interest of the child. Because it's not defined in Georgia law, that means that it's up to the judge and will depend on what your specific judge thinks is best for kids. But I can tell you what we see most judges doing most often. The most common schedule is for there to be a primary custodian, and then for the other parent to have every other Thursday to Monday, and then on off weeks, either Thursday for dinner or Thursday overnight. Sometimes that schedule continues during the summers, and a lot of the times judges will do week on, week off in the summers. The schedule that you end up with won't always reflect how active both parents were during the marriage with parenting. And that's very surprising for a lot of people. That was the situation maybe 15, 20 years ago, but courts have really been moving towards the secondary custodian having 35 to 40% of parenting time, even if they didn't do 35 to 40% of the parenting during the marriage. It's important to go into the process having realistic expectations and hire an attorney who's going to be honest with you about what is achievable and what is not. Typically, for the other parent to have less time than this in front of most judges, you're going to have to show that there's a real problem with their parenting. And I don't mean candy and bedtime. I mean like active substance abuse or a very serious issue.